Children, now we are going to understand data handling, that is chapter 22. Now first of all, what is data, children? Data means information from different fields. It is a set of numerical facts collected with a definite object in view, that is called data. Suppose here written method of collecting data it must be in a systematic form to get a fair idea. Here given in a systematic form arrangement of class, first division, second division, D10, total. So in a 9, 10, 11, in these three class, first division, how many children got first division, second division, D10 and total number of student. So this is a fair data, children. So in different field, like in cricket field also, in the matter of population also, we can collect the information, that is a data, but in a systematic form, collecting the data in a systematic method. So in the form of tabular, in table form we can write. So this is the tabulation form. Okay. Now see here, frequency is, what is frequency, children? Frequency means it is a number which tells how many times does a particular data or a number appears in a given set of data. How many times? Suppose here just this number, look, 5738755358 If I will ask how many times the number 5 written here, so which number is occur frequently, that is called a frequency. So frequency of number is, you have to find frequency of number. So 5 occurs how many times? Just see here, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it occurs. So 5 occurs 4 times. So the frequency is 4. In this manner we can find out frequency. Okay, children. So the frequency is a number which tells how many times a particular data occurs or appears. Okay, children. So understood frequency, data. Now raw data, array data and frequency. What is this raw data? Raw means, just see here, number 9, 8, 6, 10, 5, 6, 8, 7, 10, 5, 6, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, like that written, these numbers. So all these numbers is the 30 students marks written in the following marks. Okay, out of 10, 30 student got marks out of 10 in a class test. Okay, so these marks written. So this data recorded in the original form, this is called a raw data. Okay, this is called a raw data which is written in original form. Now this raw data we will write in ascending or a descending order. So first of all, just see here the lowest number and the highest number. So lowest number is 4 and highest number is 10. Up to 10, more than 10 is not here, right? So write down here. 4 how many times occur? 4, 4, 4, 3 times. 5 how many times written? 5, 5, 5. Like this in ascending or descending order you can write. So up to 10 here we can write here how many times it is written, as it is arranged in ascending order or descending order. Now make a table. Marks, tally marks and frequency. First of all, see here, lower marks and the higher marks. Lower marks started from 4, but let's start from 1. No problem. 1, you can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 I have written. But one number is not here. So no problem. Whatever the number written, you just write down. 4 number how many times occur? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So tally marks you can write here 1, 2, 3. Frequency you can write 3. 5 how many times occur? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and this diagonally cut means 5. This diagonal cut line is 5. Frequency write down here 5. Okay, like that we can write, children. You understand, up to 10 you can write. Okay, so if 1 2 3 not available here, so no need to write here, no need to mention. Start from 4 5 6 4 to 10. If you can write, there is also no problem. Okay children, so like this you can make a table. And now grouped frequency distribution. In group frequency distribution also the same manner, you can write in the same manner. 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Just see here, the number started lower number and the highest number. So here highest 50 to 60 and 10 to 20, already here class interval given. So this is known as class interval. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50 to 40 to 50, like that. This is a class interval. Tally marks, then frequency. Okay, what is class interval and class limit, children? Class interval, this class interval is, this is lower, this is upper. Okay, the number 10 and 20, these numbers 10 and 20 are called class limits. 10 and 20, 20 minus 10, 10 difference is there, no? So 10 difference in all the numbers, there is a difference of 10 number. So these are the class limit. The smaller number, you can say lower class limit is 10. Lower class limit, this is lower class limit, this is upper class limit. Okay children, so this is the class interval and class limit. What is class mark? How you can find class mark? Class mark of a class interval is the value midway between the lower class limit and upper class limit. Just class mark of a class interval equal to lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2 equal to 15. So class mark 50 to 55 to 65, 60 you have to find out. Same manner, plus and then divide 57.5 and so on. So in this manner you can find out by this formula class mark. Okay, and then we will make a table. So 22.A, easily you can solve all the questions, there is no problem. Easy questions are there. Graphical representation in bar graph, you have to use graph paper, children. Okay, you must have at home, because in annual exam this graph question definitely will ask. So before that you keep ready with you graph paper, because you have to attach with your answer script graph paper. Okay, so in graph paper you have to draw bar graph. You know, bar graph is a separate graph, children. This is separate. It is the simplest and the most widely used graphical representation of a numerical data with heights of a rectangular bars of equal width. This rectangular bar should be separate, one unit leave, and then you have to draw. Okay, this is it is easy. This type of question, suppose given name of object and a speed given, bicycle, scooter, car, bus, train. So 10, 40, 60. So you will start 0 to 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90 you take. Here 80 given, but you take up to 90. Okay, one more than 80 you have to take. Now name of object you will write here in x-axis, and this is a y-axis. Bicycle, how many bicycle? 10. So you will draw a graph here up to 10. Point with a pencil, mark here, and then with a scale you draw like that. Then scooter 40. Then draw here 10 distance leave and then draw. 10 distance leave and then draw. This is a way to draw bar graph, children. Okay, this is also easy. You can easily do it, no problem. This is a very easy chapter. Do it. It is a double bar graph. In the same manner you have to do double bar graph, or it is already given. If it in question given, you have to ask question answer. You have to do question answer. Question is there, just see the graph and write down the answer. Which class has the least number of student? Which class has the least number? Just check out. So class 3 and class 5 has the least number. So in this manner you can find out question answer. Okay, pie graph, how to draw pie chart, tomorrow I will explain. Up to here complete it. Okay children.